Golden 4G cruising on the DTL album launch of Rough Guy inside Radad Lodge and Conference Center, all the way from Savannah region, Daboya Kokanano to support Timabengoma. How do you feel to be part of program and a general assessment and Yeren Changshaman?
Yeah, so if you ask me, I would say it's a lovely experience. And
Okay.
I'm not surprised how the outcome is.
Okay.
Rough Guy is one of the artists we all know. He had worked so hard
Okay.
and he kept his consistency every time he's releasing new projects.
Okay.
And I've been a brother since 2016.
Wow.
So when I heard my brother has a Dream to Reality album, I said I have to come through and support him. And that's why I'm here. And I'm so glad to be here.
Wow.
Very happy.
Breaking to like you are from Savannah region.
Straight, I'm
Can
from
we
Savannah.
promise, or you can promise people from Savannah and people from the 5 northern regions, like upcoming, whether in an album, a music video, or a concert, what should we expect from you?
Yeah, so, anytime we move from Savannah region and we come to northern region, the feeling is always different. If not, the person standing before you is the giant of Gunja music.
Wow.
You get it?
Wow.
So when you go to Gunjaland, I don't even need an introduction.
Yeah.
You see the line.
Yeah.
So they know how we have been doing it. We have a lot of stuffs coming. We have a lot of videos already out, and we have some projects. 2024 just started, and we kick-starting the year with so many works.
Can you like working out on collaborations with the rest of these 4 northern regions to break through, like in a northern zone?
Yeah, I think it's not just about collaborating.
Okay.
If we want to talk about collaborations, I think I've done enough collaborations to have been big in Tamale here.
Wow.
I have a song with Ataka.
Wow.
I have a song with Rough Guy.
Wow.
I have a song with Dr. Fiza, and I have a
Okay.
song with Makasu.
Okay.
You get it?
Okay.
So I think it's not basically about collaboration. I
Collaboration.
think it's about promoting the works. So now what I and the team are working on is how to come around and promote our staffs in Tamale here. So we can get that recognition in the 5 northern regions.
Okay,
So-
that's a brother from Savannah region, Daboya. He came down here to support a Rough Guy album launch. Okay, so we appreciate and thank him very much for his effort, because it's not easy to just come all the way from Savannah region to support a brother. Thank you for your
It's a pleasure.
kindness.
It's a
We
pleasure.
really
Thank you.
appreciate.
Asam Kushum.
Okay.
Like it tum na tum bir gazi am bor nyem te hevim. Come on how?